Hi guys, so I bought this radar detector hardwire kit because like I don't want this long cable, and so I'm gonna be showing you how to install it for the 435i F36. So the first thing you do is take this off, obviously. And then take the radar off, radar detector off. And also, this should be the same for like any other radar detector. I have a unit in R8W, but it should be the same for other ones. The first thing you do is take this off, which you can do by just you can take this off by using this and just so this and this. So now there's gonna be this here, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a connector here. So we're gonna get this. This is the smallest one, I'm pretty sure, and plug that into there. I don't know if the video is gonna show it, but the black one, this one, goes to the brown wire, the brown slot, and this, the red one, goes to the red wire, the place where the red wire goes, and this goes to the place where the brown wire goes. Okay, so I know the video will not show it, so I'm just gonna explain it like this. So even though this connector isn't the one we're plugging it into, um I just want to show you guys how I did it. So let's say I'm going to plug the this first. So I get this and I squeeze this into into there, like squeeze it into there, and gently pull. And if it comes out, just push it further into there. And yeah, and this goes into the red thing, the red wire. Just try to find the red wire and do that to there. And for the black wire, like the same thing, but instead it will be the brown wire. So find the brown wire in the connector and just squeeze that into there, and gently pull. And if it doesn't come out, then you did good. And yeah. So here. Okay, so just to show it, you should be able to see it here. Now we need to zip tie these together, so so it doesn't fall off while the wires doesn't come off while driving. So I'm just gonna be I'm gonna be zip tying this to these cables here. I'm gonna be zip tying this part to this little cable, so you know it's kind of protected. After the zip tie, it should be, you know, like this. So then we're gonna put the cover back on. These covers. So first put the left one on. First put the left one on and then the right one, since we're on the right side. And it should kind of like it should like pop in place kind of. So yeah, just kind of push it in. It's not gonna pop or like click, but you know, it should be kind of like this. And then for the right one, you just and then I know I wasn't able to show it enough, but there's like it clicks here and then also here, so just wait to hear the clicks. And I know there's gonna be a little gap here, but you know, it just has to be, since you know we're feeding the wire through there. So here, let's put this on now. It's on. And then let's feed the wire on top. And then that's it. Easy as that. If you have any questions about like anything, like anything, like it doesn't matter what it is, you're more than welcome to do so. You're welcome. Oh my god. You're more than welcome to ask any questions, and yeah, I will link the hardwire kit below and the radar detector. Yeah, here I'm just gonna put the car in accessory mode, and there we go.
X band, K band, KA band, laser,
Easy.
GPS connected.
Alright man, have a good day. Bye bye.